iPhone 12. First, it is fast. iPhone 12 impresses with its capabilities. A14 Bionic, the fastest iPhone processor. A new system of 2 chambers. And a great Super Retina XR display that shows every detail. Gorgeous bright Super Retina XR 6 and 1-inch display. Ceramic shield front panel, with a 4-fold lower risk of damage to the display when dropped. Stunning image quality in low light thanks to night mode on all cameras. Shooting, editing, and playback of cinematic quality videos in the Dolby Vision standard. Powerful A14 Bionic processor, and new MagSafe accessories that instantly magnetize and provide faster wireless charging. In other words, bright discoveries are waiting for you. Specifications: Super Retina XR 6 and 1-in-1 display, incredibly durable ceramic shield front panel, A14 Bionic, the fastest iPhone processor, advanced 12MP dual camera system, ultra-wide and wide angle, night mode deep fusion technology. The display is a rectangle with rounded corners. The diagonal of this rectangle, excluding rounding, is 6.06 inches. The actual viewport is smaller. The approval is based on a comparison of the ceramic shield front panel on the iPhone 12 and the front panel on the previous generation iPhone. Accessories are sold separately. iPhone 12 is resistant to splashes, water, and dust and has been tested under specially maintained laboratory conditions. The device has an IP68 rating according to the standard. It can be submerged in water to a depth of 6 meters for up to 30 minutes. Resistance to splashes, water, and dust may decrease with natural wear and tear. Do not attempt to charge a wet iPhone. Wipe and dry it according to the instructions in the user's manual. Damage caused by contact with liquid is not covered by the warranty.